حراي كورات تخاتلت المدب بين ميديا زيادة تريوا نوركم تا إنسانتي تبع الماكينة وتقولوا ناي جيت إنجن الله بتعمي زجرم هنا موتور إزالوا قريب لنا خنريكم هنا come this way let's show them as you can see that is what the vehicle is
Gotta get it through the NHR. We're battling with it. They're worried it's too fast. No, they're worried about.
come here you look
Okay.
نعبا
Tires aren't supposed
أنا هذا مزح
3,800 pounds. Yeah, built for 3,400. It's so fast. It's like 100 pounds a ton. We just gotta try to convince them.
so this is what you see guys that's the insanity guys jet engine ها احنا نحطه دراري هنا Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How you doing today?
Good. Yourself?
You're the driver for
I am.
this?
Yep.
What's your name?
Ryan McQueen.
You're amazing.
Oh,
You're
thank you.
amazing.
Thank
What'd
you.
you like to say? Because I recorded everything and I was giving narration. I was impressed, my كبرات كبران تقاتلتي مدب بين ميديا وقعد حنا مدام دا مጻኹም لو معلتي إذناي مغاين ريسين زكاد زلو أزنا قاعن سحبن مدب حيزلكم متعلقوا إذ الريسين أب إدمنتون زكاد زلو خينو هات أغسط نايت إزبهال إذيك قدم مخاين وددر فليز بلا مخاين جيت إنجين زلوان فليز بلا نرادي استفعل كالئن ناي مكينة استاساسر بفلاي ناي مكينات فوتو سبات هونكم بتعمي إنجاك قبروهم إذا تكنولوجي ناي مخاين عم تعمو زلو حنت كامباني سبونسر تقبرو مو نزي كار شو نمو معبال تباهيلو مالتيو بتعمي دسبل مدبي كون إنجاي قبرو رأيو First time here,
Okay.
but I was amazed.
Well,
you gave us a show.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed the show.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you
How
bet.
fast were you going? It's amazing.
We can do. We've done 250 miles an hour with it at air shows.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now we're just going through some licensing, so
Yeah.
we've got to wait for the NHRA to give us approval, and we're kind of working that red tape right now. So.
You're amazing,
Yeah.
man.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you
Oh,
for the show.
Yeah, you bet.
Thank you so
I'm glad
much.
you liked
Take
it.
care.
All right.
Yeah.
You
What
bet.
are the engines out of?
They're off of a Hawker Siddeley business jet from 1960s.
Yeah, that's what I figured. They looked old.
They're very old.
Yeah.
They're older than me. So.
Yeah, me too.
So, but they run great. I mean, they still got a lot of life in them.
Wow, yeah.
I love the Rolls Royce, the sounds they make and everything.
Yeah, I guess alternatively it'd be a Pratt and Whitney or something,
Yep.
I guess.
Oh, absolutely. We're only allowed a few different kinds of engines.
Come here, come bro. Let's give him a tour. Come here. We're still getting a tour. Now that is where the fire comes from. That's a jet engine right there.
Boy, you don't want to get burned.
Oh, I don't want to get burned.
Can I get a quick interview?
With me? Can I ask you a couple of questions?
Yeah, what's up?
How you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic.
Good. What's your name?
My name's Miller.
How'd you feel about this event?
It was a good event. It's usually pretty good every year, and it's pretty good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's great.
You always come every year?
Yeah, every year.
Which part of this whole show did you enjoy the most?
The nitro cars for sure.
Oh my god, yes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So much
yeah.
freedom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
All the
What about
freedom.
you? What's your name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
What do you enjoy most about the show?
Oh, that's the freedom car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
The USA jet car.
Oh my god, it was amazing.
So much freedom.
Yeah, so much freedom.
So much freedom.
Hell yeah. Yeah, brother.
Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you. This is the stickiest area. Holy. It is so sticky, my god. It is so sticky. That's what you call a racetrack. Oh, come here. How you doing today, sir?
Good, good. How are you?
Good. What's your name?
Yeah.
What part of the show did you enjoy the most?
The busy sponsor. Just kidding.
You're awesome.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Did you enjoy the jets? The jet cars?
Yes, but the alcohol funny cars are where it's at. Just kidding.
Oh, you think so?
Row 0.
I love it.
To this part of the track because whenever we've been to the track,
Yeah.
we've been participating, so we're in the pits.
take your phone, are you? Right, here's the minute.
Wow, amazing.
I want to hear it a little bit. You gotta hear it a little bit more. I don't want to go crazy.
It looked like he was behind, but his speed was more. Zoom in زيادة صبا معتي. When I zoom in. And if I back up, it's clean. Ah. Oh, Jamie, that guy's you. That's the tip. I remember that too.
They're so organized.
Yeah.
don't know, bro, but that was weird. Whole team, they're so organized. Like this team.
إريترانا إريترانا والعطانا إريترانا إريترانا إريترانا